guys.
We're back with part 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7. And
here's
we
the 2 best cards we got.
And also Eagle Fan 159 made a not like a medium mistake.
I made it oopsies.
Yep.
Montage Dragon Ultimate.
Yeah, he put it in his comment file. Why would you put an whatever? Listen. Oh wait, yeah. You chose these cards, these packs out to put them in the
charge selection.
Mind Master?
Oh, I thought you said Ice Master.
No.
So, what's your favorite card of the set, Matt?
Charge.
Just for an Ultra.
Isn't that a Synchro? No, it's not. Sorry. It was like
what's your favorite Synchro?
Unstable Evolution.
What's your favorite Synchro?
Maiden of Macrame or something like that.
What's your favorite Synchro?
My favorite Synchro? Probably Doom Kaiser Dragon because it has such an awesome name.
Doom? That's in Crossroads, man.
You never said it had to be in this set.
In this set.
Stardust.
Stardust? I like God Brother. Okay, we're gonna pull 3 charges.
Defenstra.
I stacked up 3 packs, guys. So yeah. Big Pisco. Do I see a Synchro, guys? Magical Android. Telekinetic Charging Cell. And Dark Resonator.
Sinister Sprocket and Desynchro.
Twin Barrel Dragon and Yamato no Kami.
I'm going to do the same thing that you did.
How many times?
2 times, maybe. What did you do? 3 times?
Yeah. 1,
2.
People at home, do not try this at home. I'm just kidding. You just don't know when the rares.
Handcuffs Dragon. Oh, no one pulled this one yet. Team Byru.
Tinka Vile.
This thing.
Nazi Zombie.
Trapper Darkness. Oh, Run Pile.
Okay. I've got 4 packs here. Am I gonna pull any help? Mind Master.
I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna play
Lighttorn Saber.
Ooh, Gladiator's War Chariot.
Cold Enchanter.
Oh, and the Tricky. I almost forgot.
I got Desynchro. And
4 of these packs.
Emergency Teleport.
Yeah. How much? Well, let's count out how much.
Let's not stack packs anymore.
I'm gonna do my last stack for the set. How about that?
Let's just stack the rest of the packs.
No.
Just kidding. That'll be like boredness 24/7.
2 more. 3 and last one.
Last one, guys.
You still have like maybe 20 more packs. What would you say? 20?
Yeah, but out of 170.
Technology Charging Cell.
Mind Master.
Graceful Revival.
Twin Barrel Dragon and Dark Resonator.
Handcuffs Dragon.
Fighting Spirit.
Come on,
and Sinister Sprocket.
And Izume. Boo. Freezing Glaceon 631. You're bad at opening packs. You jinxed bad of a lot of bad ones.
Not all the time. Not with my Raging Battle Special Edition box, that's for sure.
Well, yeah, you like...
Got me 2 Delta Crows. Cold Wave.
Oh yeah, Pearl of Orange Lake.
Cold Enchanter! So what secrets are we missing? Ice Master?
Ice Master, Hand of the Sam. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
got
gosh,
a rare.
I'm a Nazi. Okay, I am not a Nazi. I am a big peaceful. Why am I holding 2 packs in my hand? I do not know.
Hand of the Sixth Sam. Yes.
Toy Magician. That's one we were missing.
Oh yeah, really? 2 secrets in like the same time.
I know.
I forgot about Toy Magician. Sorry. But, you know.
Oh, Avenging Knight Parsec. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yamato no Kami. So all we need is Ice Master and
Avenging Knight Parsec.
And then we have the full secret
collection. I'm pretty sure we have the
multiple piece golem.
Again.
Here, Mom.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. As you can tell, it's sort of late here. I thought you pulled a charge when you raised your hands up. Maiden of the macrame. You got.
Yeah. Sorry, I forgot to say it again.
The tricky. Almost done.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
About 10 left.
Yeah.
Unstable evolution. And
Dark
Yamato no
Resonator.
Kami.
Shoot. Whatever.
Well, these cards are like, they'll be up on eBay.
Defense draw.
Desynchro and Kunai with chain. It's our first
We haven't
one.
yeah, I'm surprised we actually.
We pulled more ultras than
Supers. That's sort of surprising, you know?
Charge? No. What's your favorite Yu-Gi-Oh set? Using right now for 2-1.
Highlighted Destruction. So far. Oh, it's a defense draw.
Mine's a Hando 6 Samurai.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's Telekinetic charging cell. I almost skipped that, so. Can I have the honors of opening the last packs?
Not the last packs, but Hopple.
Graceful
There's 3
Revival.
pack slots. I will take.
I'll take 2 of them.
I wanted that one. No, that one. Whatever.
So we're gonna pull an Avenging Knight Parsec and an Ice Master in these. Fighting Spirit.
Open the last pack, Aaron.
1, 2, 3. What did you get?
Let's do the honors of doing this. 2, 3, 1, 2, right?
My rare is Maiden of the Macrame.
My rare is.
Oh, I got
Shoot.
nothing.
Yeah, me neither.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
well,
yeah.
Empty.
Yes. High five.
Let's do a review of what we got.
No. Well, basically the only good stuff we got is that.
No, we got some secrets. Secrets.
Yeah, that's dope.
Okay, hand.
And just do the secrets. Toy Magician.
Yes.
Teleport.
Splendid Venus. Shoot. Emergency
Got a couple
teleport.
teleports.
Another emergency. Let's put the emergency teleports to the side. This theme. Put the big piece golem. Dot rulers.
No.
Whatever.
Teleport. Yeah.
That all?
Yeah. So we pulled
Yeah.
4 teleports.
And 1 ghost and 4 secrets. Yeah. Pretty
Not
good
bad.
pulls. Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Wait. Other packs. Yes.
Next up, Phantom Darkness.
Let's get close up on this.
Just a preview, guys.
Yep.
Just a little preview. Elemental Hero Air Neo, super rare.
Golden Flying Fish. Yes!
Yes!
Only he would get excited about a golden flying fish.
They're good for my deep scavenger deck,
Okay, so yeah. Hola.
Bada.
Or, is that high? I don't